Each and every day, more people are trying to care for themselves more, be it in terms of health, beauty, hygiene, or other ways. When it has to do with beauty, makeup is the most known beauty product. The makeup industry is a billion-dollar one, making products to cater to both women and men's vanity. Today, there are infinite makeup products, such as foundations, blushes, and lipsticks. But have you ever stopped to think about how these apparently inoffensive products can affect your health? In today's video, we're going to show you some of the health risks associated with different types of makeup products. 1. They can make your body toxic with heavy metals. Research has shown that using powder on your face when you're pregnant causes milk contamination and harms breastfed children with large and unhealthy doses of toxic metals. Another study performed in 1991 showed that pencil eyeliner contains high amounts of lead. 2. They can harm your skin. If you wear makeup to hide acne, you actually might be making it worse. These products do not help your skin and even end up clogging your pores with several harmful substances, such as cadmium. Cadmium is a heavy metal that, according to studies, can cause kidney failure, bone disease, and even cancer. Researchers believe that cadmium becomes toxic well below the limits set by the WHO. Toluene. Toluene is mostly used as a paint thinner and can cause damage to your nervous system and lead to neurological disorders such as dementia. This substance can be found in nail products and also in some hair dyes. Benzophenones. These are used in products that protect against UV rays, perfumes, shampoos, and conditioners. An article published in the magazine Dermatitis states that benzophenones can cause allergic reactions such as rashes and even anaphylactic shock. Lead. Lead is a heavy metal present in a large number of makeup products, especially those with more pigment such as eyeshadows, lipsticks, eyeliners, and even baby lotions. Lead is highly toxic when it enters your bloodstream and can cause neurological disorders, infertility, and even cancer. In 2012, the FDA found lead in 400 different brands of lipsticks, in higher amounts than what was considered safe. Parabens. Parabens are preservatives added to cosmetics to prevent the growth of bacteria. They are widely used in perfumes and colognes, but can also be found in shampoos and conditioners. These substances are considered to be potential endocrine disruptors and have already been found in tissues with breast cancer. Baby powder. Baby powder in its natural form contains asbestos, which, according to several surveys, can cause different types of cancer, such as ovarian cancer. While most people believe that beauty products don't contain significant amounts of these harmful substances, regular use may end up causing health problems. If you enjoy wearing makeup, read the labels carefully and avoid products that contain these substances. And remember, too much of anything can be bad for you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.